Thanks for taking a moment to hang out with me today while we take a look at this 2017 Volvo Tandem Axle Day Cab tractor. Volvo horsepower under the hood, 455. Volvo auto shift behind it. Looks like the cab and the nose is in pretty good shape. 40,000 pound rears in it. Let's take a quick walk around and see what we got going on. Dual fuel tanks for you. Tires look pretty high. Wheels look like they're pretty good. Airbags holding air. Mud flaps in place. Fifth wheel doing what it's supposed to do. Come around underneath the driver's side door. We have our DEF tank. The emissions truck. Stick your head inside real quick. Air ride seat for you. Auto shift is on the right side of the seat. Again, 2017 Volvo Tandem Axle Day Cab tractor. Was driven here from a bit of ways away. It's got an engine light on, but all the other lights are okay in it. All the actual truck lights are okay as well. So give us a call, stop by, check us out, we'll help you out. If you're watching on YouTube, hit the thumbs up button, get that bell, get all the notifications. If you're watching on somewhere other than trophy.com, get on our website, see this truck, plenty of others coming in and here already for you. And we look forward to seeing you down the road.